Welcome back guys. Thank God it's Friday. Wrap up natin. Let's go. Cheryl, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sarah. Ayun.
Drop off according to 86.
$5 lang to. This one is more exactly.
Coffee or something spilled or
Kita. Sorry, 37.
Una pizza de queso.
Thank you.
Espérate.
Ang kinita natin for 5 days sa 2 hours everyday na deliver is $323, which is good na goods yun. Kaya ayun, next week uli. Kung gusto nyo yung mga ganitong video, please follow, like, and share para updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko. See you on my next vlog. Peace! Ana!